Hello everyone, for today's video we are visiting Ruchira's place which is far away from RCeA studios. So let's go to the video. After a long journey, I came to Ruchira's place. And here we have Ruchira, who is one of my classmates. Hello Ruchira. Now let's go to the video.
For today's project, we need cardboards, an old mouse, small piece of rigiform board and some PVC pipes. First of all, go to Google and search for keywords gaming steering wheel sketches. Then select one of the smart sketch and take it into the cardboard. Take 2 layers from cardboard and 1 layer from rigiform board. Make the steering wheel using glue gun as shown in the video. Then select a suitable place for the horn. Attach a push button for the horn. Connect wires to the switch. Use the PVC parts as shown in the video. Don't forget to keep a hole to take the wires out. The outer PVC part should be free to move with the steering wheel. In this steering wheel, we use mouse sensing method. Using a piece of cardboard, attach the PVC to the mouse to move freely. Cut the unwanted cardboard parts. Put the wires through the PVC and connect the PVC to the steering wheel. Take the wires out from the hole. Now let's make the base part. Make the base part as shown in the video using cardboards. Connect PVC attached to the steering wheel with the PVC attached to the mouse. Complete the base part using the glue gun and small cardboard pieces. Now we are done with steering wheel. Connect the USB to the computer and enjoy the game. Stay tuned with RCeA to make gearbox and the pedals.